Hey curl friends, and welcome back for a special birthday edition of Nay Does Natural. Stay tuned and watch me slay as I do a fro hawk with tribal braids. I always start on freshly washed and conditioned hair. I begin by parting to create the center hawk portion. The smaller mirror really helped me to get my parts perfect in the back. Natural Hair Gym, go get you one. Once I finally get my parts perfect, I section the middle part off to come back to. I started at the front by making a 2-inch triangular part towards the middle section. Now I'm finally making the first part to start this style. It's the precision for me. Y'all just have no idea how much of this video I had to edit out of me just strictly trying to get these parts perfect. But it was definitely worth it in the end. This first section was not braided or twisted, so I just used a little bit of Eco Style gel to lay it down and sectioned it off with a little black rubber band. Since this next section is braided, I went in with a little cream twist and curl cream by the Doux to add a little extra moisture. If you're going to be braiding your own hair, be prepared for the arm workout that's involved in this hairstyle. Worth it, but definitely get ready. Here's where it really got fun. For the tribal braid, I wanted some extra length, so I used pre-stretched braiding hair. I detangled using a little water cream and my detangling brush. Then I took a small piece of my hair to start with and wrap the braiding hair around it to begin braiding down towards my face. You see me using a little bit of jam to hold down the flyaways of my real hair as I braid. Music got good because the beat dropped right about here. Got that braid finished, I decided to move to the other side. So what you're going to see now is me mirroring the exact same thing I did on the other side. But stay tuned. If you are enjoying this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click for alerts. that the hard part is over, the remainder of the style is a breeze. I sprayed a little water and applied Mousse Death by the Doux, which I will link below, before detangling and twisting. I did flat twists on the remainder of my hair, which will create the mohawk. This was my first time using hair accessories and I fell in love. I started by stringing the beads onto the applicator. Once I got all the beads onto the applicator, I pulled my braid through and broke it. So I had to manually string the beads. Note to self, less braiding hair will be a lot better next time. But we learn as we go. That face of concentration is something serious, isn't it? It got real trying to put those beads on without the applicator. Check out the finished product. I allowed my flat twists to dry overnight before untwisting and styling. I'm back and ready to see the finished product. Before untwisting, I applied oil to my scalp and the twist. I started at the ends of each twist and gently unravel going up. Then I twirl the ends around my finger to maintain my definition. Once all of the twists were unraveled, I went in to separate the curls with my fingers. Then I added a few bobby pins to the back to secure the mohawk. My girl Adrienne got me right with the birthday makeup. If you're in the area or willing to travel, book with her. Her information is linked below. Thank you, curl friends, for tuning in to a special birthday edition of Nay Does Natural. Don't forget to hit the notification button to be alerted when I drop my new content. Thanks for watching.